Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Volkswagen Beetle, and this is from their movie series Transformers. I mean, the screen time series, I can say. And this one is, the Bumblebee. Okay, so I bought it for 179. Let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, so here it is. So the first impressions of this car, the car casting looks really nice as usual, but again, as usual, the paint job is not really good. There are some black dots here, and you can see some paints. I don't know if it's paint smear. Let me just try. Okay, there's a line here throughout here. I'm not sure why that is. I do have castings from Majorette. This exact Volkswagen Beetle's casting, with this openable hood here. That looks really awesome. So, okay, there are no headlights, this just the inserts here of the chassis. They made it look like the headlights. There's the Transformers logo, which is really nice. Okay, they painted on the rear lights, which is really nice. So the chassis is actually plastic. This is not metal. Only the body is fully metal. Even I can't see any interior detailing here. Okay, it does have some interior detailing, but it is really hard to show in the video, guys. I'm really sorry about that. Let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it does roll really good. With a little bit force, just maybe not like the Sesto Elemento, but it does roll really nice compared to Pontiac Aztec and all. Does have some wheel wobbles on both wheels, but hey, it still looks really nice. So for a collector's from a collector's point of view, if you want to get this car, go ahead and get it. So anyway, we are not going to play with it. We might just have it in our pocket time to time or in the display. Overall, this is a nice casting if you ask me. But if you are asking me if it is worth 179, maybe not. Maybe 120 I can say. Max to max 150, but not 179. But what can we do now? Nothing. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.